You can call me anything you want today, but Richard is the name that I'll respond to first. So just thanks everyone for coming today. It's our first trip. We're celebrating the YRT anniversary. 25 years for YRT and 20 years for Viva services. So we decided to pick one of our newer converted YRT buses for this trip today. So for some of you that have been on it before, you'll know exactly what it's all about, what some of the changes. But we're looking at having these buses on, and you know, new seats. These are really easy to clean, comfortable seats, and with a nice, pleasant color. So we are now going to be going over to the North Maintenance Operations and Storage Facility, where our North contract is operated out of. So there's lots of displays there as well, but just wanted to make sure if you guys have any questions, I want to be able to answer them for you. I'll come over to you, but please enjoy the ride.
Well, what routes does this bus run exactly?
This one is currently assigned for Viva Yellow, which is Davis Drive. So it would be at home on this stretch of the road right here. I think it's up right down this.
I want to take this one. I felt familiar, but
Yeah. Well, it's like a conventional, but view print things. Yes, sir. I'm gonna come back to you. 7. 7. Yeah, 7. going through the bus wash now on this side here. Typically, bus washes happen overnight as part of the cycle of maintenance for all the fleets. So. Let's just pause for a second. Coming on board is the maintenance person in charge of this facility on behalf of How are you?
How are you?
Take on board for the wash? Yep. Okay. Everybody. Yeah, that's it. Yes. All the fluids and everything happens. So it's where the initial cleanup gets started, and then the bus wash is the second part. So see, everything's neat and organized, lined up. So fueling, all of the fluids that just go on the other side of the building. So it's organized so that everything can happen on a daily basis.
I've actually been here before when it was no transit. My friend also did Richard. I've got me a private tour on it. Oh, and 2264, your anniversary map bus is behind this.
Yes, exactly.
Otherwise, I'm not nice to see what's in the shuttle either. I see they fired up the buses outside. I know where those are going. I think those are 600s in there too. That means they got my request for my old ones. That's why you see them out on weekends, because they know I requested. I demand my old ones. I want to be self-business. Yeah, last 2 weekends they found me free. Which was, I always request one for my 50, one for 54, and 57. There's fresh changes. I was at my 48, 436, and 504.
Noticed a lot of buses on the board recently. Rush hour, you know, was reminding me that somebody decided to put a car through here at one time, and it didn't come out the same way.
You're not supposed to drive your car here, and somebody did.
The specs
The
are
guy came
totally...
out all snatched up because these brushes are so strong. They're built for that not cardboard.
Don't say it was an employee.
No, it was not.
They saw it on Google, Google Maps told
The person lost the roof, the hood, windshield.
Is there pictures like in the lunchroom on like a board somewhere? Yeah.
Okay.
By the way, one of the brand new Viva ones on stage too. 2601. It's on Viva Purple's name.
Richard, you're good?
Yeah, we're good. We're going to be dropping off here
Okay.
and then leaving from here. So anybody looking to go back, you can go back on any trip, no problem. We'll be loading from here.
All right.